there you go then, Anakin's Podracer. A good steady easy build, this one. I don't think you'd expect anything different with a smaller kit, but this was quite easy, no issues whatsoever. And a good representation, I think, of the Podracer. Certainly a big leap from the last one, this being an anniversary kit. Really quite good and surprisingly robust, this, considering it's just so small. I think as Lego evolves, you're getting more robustness and stability with smaller kits, where you've got standard bricks and the integration of Technic parts with the rods and the pins. It all makes for a securer model. I can't see any smaller bits that are going to fly off. The windscreen may be there, but even that is really good. I like the handle if you're going to play with it, and that's what it's all about. And the use of these clear bars here, so you can just grip it, and you've got all your flying for the young uns to play around with. I mean, it's not a, it will stand up on that if you want to display it, but you know, don't try and knock it because it will just flip. Okay, perhaps not so robust when it goes in the toy box, but then you've got the joy of building it again, haven't you? Negatives, we've got no real negatives about it. Like I say, no issues, plenty of parts, plenty of spares. Really enjoy putting it together. Okay, handle's good, like that, and it's very stable. Plus side, I think for a small kit, the colours are really good, and the representation, I think you've got 10 different colours just on the engine itself there, and they look really effective. The little cabin's a bit bland, but you can't have everything, can you? And it's really good. Have a close look at Anakin when you buy the kit. His goggles are absolutely massive, and if you look straight on, he does look a bit cross-eyed. So, but there you go. That's just a little funny bit. But Anakin's Podracer. There you go. On to the next one. Cheers. Catch up soon.